Hi, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can edit your slide deck using Google Slides. Let's first start here with the possibility to add text. So to add a text box, you have to select here this icon and you drag it over your slide to add the text field. So I'm just going to type in a word. You can type in whatever word you want, and that is how you add a text to your slide. Now I'm going to select this word and I'm going to show you here at the top of the toolbar all of the formatting options that you can do. So you can change the font, the size of the font, format here, the type, bold, italic, and underline. You can change the color of the text either from the palette that exists or by adding a custom color by clicking here on the plus. You can either add the code that you might know, or you can hover over all the different colors that are possible and go ahead and select that color for you here. And then you kind of will recognize all the other formatting options from Google Docs. So you can change the alignment of the text, add numbered lists, bullet points, etc. here. Then you have the possibility to add a picture, to add an image. Now we have an extensive video that shows you how to do that, but I'll show you quickly here. As you click on Insert Image, you'll have to select where your image is located to actually go ahead and get that picture. So you'll either upload an image from your computer, the web, Google Drive, Google Photos, with a link, or with your camera to activate your webcam and take a picture of yourself. I'm going to show you here how to search the web because this is a really cool feature. As you search the web, you are actually doing a Google image search from within Google Slides. So as I click on it, you recognize Google Images, and you can type in the keyword of your choice. Now, I have just typed in here the word beach, and I'm going to add this picture. You can add several pictures if you want, but that's not required here for my demo. And as you click on insert, the picture will be automatically added to my slide. Now, to decrease the size of the picture, I just go ahead into one of the corners of the picture. You'll see the double arrow appearing, and I can just make it smaller to suit my slide. Now, then I can add different shapes. So as I click here on this icon, I have the option to add different kind of shapes. So I can add all the shapes that appear here, but also arrows, callouts, and equations. I'm going to show you how to add a circle. This is something that people do very often. So I'm just going to click here on the circle. And I'm going to draw the circle over here. As I let go of the mouse, I have a couple of formatting options. So I can choose the fill color. It can either be a color, a solid color, a gradient color, or I want it to be transparent. So I'm just going to go ahead and go with that. And I want to change the border color to yellow. I can also choose, the thickness of that border and how that border looks like. And now I want to drag it over the picture to draw the attention here on this palm tree. This is something that you'll see very often in presentations when you want to highlight something. You can also add lines, so you can add lines, arrows, connections, do scribbles, etc. So I'll let you explore this one for yourself. In terms of formatting, you can also add a background to your slide. So if you do want to add a background, you can choose either a solid or gradient color, or you can also choose an image. Once you've done that, you can either click on done, or even you can add this background to a specific theme that you're working with. So that's something you can also do. By clicking here on layout, you'll see all the different layouts that exist per theme. So it depends on what theme you're working with. I'm here working with a theme that is specific to Google Slides, and you'll see here all the different themes, layouts. Sorry. So you can go ahead and choose whatever works best for you. Next to layout, you have the themes. So when you click on themes, you'll see all the different themes that Google Slides suggests and recommends you to use. So you've got a couple here. But if you do have a corporate theme that you have to use for a presentation, you can also import it over here. So you can click on Import Theme, and then you'll have to select the presentation that contains that specific theme you want to use. So I'm going to take this example here and click on Select. And as soon as I do that, it will recognize all the themes that this presentation has. Here, this presentation only has one theme. I click on it and I import the theme. And you'll see now this slide deck looks very different compared to what it was before because I'm using the new theme I have just imported. So that can be something very important, especially in a corporate setting. Then what I want to show you is the possibility of adding transitions. So you can add a transition from one slide to the other here on the right. You can just go ahead and select the different types of transitions that exist. You'll see there aren't a ton, but hey, this is what you can work with. You can either apply it to one slide or you can apply it to all the slides by clicking on this button here at the bottom. You can, of course, also add object animations. For that, you need to click here, click on the object of your choice to get this out of the way. Click on the object of their choice and click on Add Animation. Here, you'll be able to select the animation you want, and then whether the animation should be activated on the click, after previous, or with the previous animation. So here I'll keep the on click option. You can then select how fast this has to happen, so the speed, and then you can always give it a try by clicking play. So I said this is a transition and I have to click so that the picture comes in from the right like I asked. So that's more or less it here for the formatting. I showed you a couple of basic but also advanced formatting functionalities that you can apply to Google Slides. Now, I hope this video was useful. If you do have any other questions, please do let us know and we'll be glad to help. Have a great day. Bye.